Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access all of the installed fonts on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the storage. You can do that by pressing the storage button on the left. And then we're going to go to this folder tab, not the recent tab, because the recent tab only shows the recently installed files, and this tab shows all of the files that are available. And down here you have the fonts button, which you're going to press, and this is where all of the fonts that you have installed will be displayed. So I currently don't have any fonts installed, but if you do, they're going to appear right in this tab. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.